ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about of the diffraction. Diffraction using after the central maximum, how to form the central maxima time, the central maxima width, how much the distance of the center to at the central maxima, how much distance is having. Now we will discuss. What is the explanation of diffraction? Diffraction is the bending of the light at the edges point. If you at any incident of the light ray, one light ray is passing through the slit at the end point is the bending of light ray. That time some angle is formed. That angle based how much the width having. That is now we will discuss. Here diffraction is the two types of diffraction having. One is the Fraunhofer diffraction and another one is the Fresnel diffraction. What is the explanation of Fraunhofer diffraction and Fresnel diffraction? First we will discuss the Fraunhofer diffraction. Fraunhofer diffraction is explaining better the at infinity means the screen and slit and some of the distances having, but the source to the slit is the infinity distance having, but in Fresnel time at a particular finite of the distance having source to the slit. But here what wavefront is formed means here Fraunhofer diffraction is wavefront is the plane wavefront is formed, plane wavefront, here spherical wavefront. Now here at the infinity distance having, but here finite distances have finite distance. Here infinity distance is the source and slit in between of the distance. But here lenses we can use, which one is Fraunhofer diffraction we will use the lenses required want, no need lenses. But here the Fraunhofer diffraction is the mathematically is easily, Fresnel diffraction is the mathematically tough. That's why we will use the diffraction method. We can find out purpose. We will use the Fraunhofer diffraction only we are considered. After Fraunhofer diffraction, what is the explanation? Now Fraunhofer diffraction. What is the explanation of Fraunhofer diffraction? Now one of the slit having, but Fraunhofer diffraction is a lenses required want. Mind one of the lens consider. Now the source of the light ray is entered to the slit to the screen in between of the distance, some distance having. This distance is the capital D having. Now the incident light ray is at the edges is bended means now the light ray is forming at some of the point based. Here the incident path of the directly is the now here continuously the angle is sub the angle theta is the variation having means at the center. Now here the center to at point of the in between of distances y having, as same also down also y having. Now here slit having the slit to point here A B, but here the point P point based of the path differences having, the path differences of the here some of the distances having. But the slit distance is the small a considered. Now here the path difference based of the del, but central maxima time the path difference is not having. Why not? Because whatever the incident light ray is passing through the straightly, that time is no bended, the center is formed exactly. Now but here some of the angle having is these angle also small theta. Now this theta based sin theta I want, sin theta is equal to the opposite by hypothesis. Opposite is the BC by Hypothesis is the AB, triangle ABC based. Now here I want the path differences of BC. I want BC is equal to AB sin theta. Now AB is the here the slit width is small a. BC is equal to A sin theta. But BC is the path difference based del is equal to A sin path differences. Now here how much width having this totally and why how much means suppose the central maxima of forming is time, central maxima having that time the width how much having want and path differences what central maxima path differences del equal to 0 and pace difference also 0. Now here the maxima and minima based. Now here the minima is the path difference is equal to the n lambda. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now if you suppose the secondary of the maxima based means path difference is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. Now here n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now here continuously the intensity is variation, that time first minima after maxima, maximum only continuously forming of the diffraction factor. Now here how much the distances having of the center to the center maxima of distance y I want. Here the distances want means now here path difference is the del having the del based of the and slit and screen in between of the distance is the capital D. Slit width A having y equal to path difference into slit and screen in between of the distance and slit width. Now here the path difference based of the minima is based n lambda means what? Lambda means what? Y equal to lambda d by. These are the distance between of the center to the center of maxima of the one side, but the width of the central maxima is W is equal to 2y because of the center to the center maxima of one side of the intensity and above of the intensity both are the same base means y equal lambda d by a means 2y means 2 lambda d by a. 2 lambda d by. These are the explanation of the width of the central maxima. Majorly is the diffraction pattern we want the path difference of the maxima and central maxima and minimum, that time how much the width having the central maxima. The central maxima of the width is W equal to 2 lambda d by a. These are the explanation of the diffraction pattern. Thank you for watching this video.